Welcome to Forex Levels. Today we'll be analyzing AUD, NZD, and CAD, JPY. Okay, before we get into the video, hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. So as you can see, today is still Monday, so tomorrow is my birthday. So I just decided to give you guys another free signal. So as you can see, the signal that we dropped on Saturday is doing really good. That's one that is still buying, and what else? USD CAD is currently selling, so the signal is looking very good. And so now we're on AUD. Which one? AUD NZD, as you can see. So I'm on the daily time frame, so I'm gonna start bailing out the levels that I'm seeing on the market. So but bear in mind, I'm going to focus more around here. So I just want to cater for the levels to see where the market is going. So this is a level I'm seeing over here, highest level for this area here, because there are levels over here, but I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible. So again, this level right over here, where the market is at right now, it's currently a good level right over there, and this level right over here, and okay, and this one over here. So these are the levels that I'm seeing on the market on the daily time frame. I'm just gonna use zones around this area here. Okay, beautiful zone right over there. Move the line, and let me create a zone on the lower side again. Okay, so I'm trying to be as quick as possible so the duration of the video is not long. So I'll just move to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is what you have, kind of level that I'm seeing. So as you can see, wait guys, didn't I just draw some lines between these areas? Let me change the color to red or blue, because I think I didn't see that line on this time frame. What's going on? Okay, fine. As you can see guys, the market is around this area here. Okay, so looking from this point right over here, this is our lowest low here. So I'm just gonna start drawing my trend line from that point over here on the 4-hour time frame. So we have this beautiful pattern right over there, and I'm just gonna cater for the upper side as well, starting from this area here, going up until there. Let's put it like this. So I'm just using the body of the candlestick as you can see on the line chart. So this is what you have on the 4-hour time frame on AUD and ZD. So I'm just gonna go back to the candles again. So okay, I'm just going to identify some levels that I'm seeing here. So I'm seeing this level right over here. The market might reach this area here if it does break out of this area there. And let's see, going up, we can see another level over here again. Let's make it a double line, and let us keep on going to the upper side. We can see a level right over here. Again, we can see another level right over here. So these are the levels that we are seeing on the market now. So I'm just gonna do it like this, cater for this with the zone, remove the line over here, a zone again, small zone, then let's remove the line again, and this area here again on the top, a zone again. So but over here I'm not going to create a zone because it's where the market is at. So you can see the market just bounced off on this area here. So the only way, because it's a falling wedge, so the only way we could sell is when the market breaks out of this area here. So there's a high possibility that the market could break out of this area there. on the 4 hour time frame, but let us move to the 1 hour time frame to confirm what I'm saying. So I'll just be quick. You can see the market failed to break this level over here and is now inside this area again. But if you look closely, you can see this the market has been respected over here on this area right over here. So there's a possibility that the market could just go back to the lower side. But if the market is going to break this area here, there should be some reason for that. So let me change to a line chart to see what's really going on here. Okay. Okay. So if I start to draw a trend line starting from this right here, you just go here and just bounce off, which is completely wrong. So, but if I were to draw it starting from this right over here, I'm betting that you have a beautiful wick around this area here. So let me move this, go back to the candles, draw it again. You have a strong wick over here. Sorry about that. Yep, here's what you have. As you can see, he had a beautiful turnaround over there. Let's cater for lower side as well, starting from here. First touch, second touch. So if you go to the 50 minutes time frame, you see this in more detailed fashion. So you can see now that the market, let me remove this, guys. Let me remove these lines. No, I'm not removing them. But as you can see, we have first touch, second touch, third touch. So on the third touch, we're anticipating a push to the lower side. Get what I'm saying, guys? So anticipating that. So let me use this line so you can see what I'm talking about. So you have a beautiful third touch right over there. We are anticipating a breakout on this level here, on this line here. So on the third touch, we have a beautiful setup. Could just say like this, beautiful setup for now, up until this area here on the 15 minutes time frame and over here. So this could be the possible scenario for the first entry if you want to look it out that way. But if we go back to the 4 hour time frame, you could just enter. Sorry, let me do this. Okay, cool. You could just enter the moment we hit this take profit over here, the breakout over there. You could just enter when you see the breakout around this area here and ride with it up until here and put a stop loss right over here, because they will be going for a long ride. And it is possible that you are going to hit this area here, but you are just going to wait. Maybe let's say we can hit this area here if possible, but the first take profit should be right over here, second take profit right over here, final take profit right over here. This one here is just optional, guys. So yeah, because the market can just change its direction, because the movement I'm anticipating is a movement like this. Oops. I'm anticipating a movement like this. So you could just see this kind of movement occurring. So this is the kind of movement I'm anticipating. So let us be safe, guys, with this one. So that'll be all for AUD and ZD. Let us move to CAD JPY. Okay, so now you're on CAD JPY on the daily time frame. So I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole chart. So this is what you have. So we are going to focus around this area here. So still on the daily time frame. So let us mark out the levels that we are seeing on the market. So let me just adjust my chart. Actually good, looking good. So we have this level here, highest level here, but we're not going to use it right over there. And we have these ones over here. So we're not going to use them anytime soon. So I won't be marking them out for now, because I'm trying to keep my chart as linear as possible, guys. Remember that. On the lower side here, this is our lowest level. We're going to use this one here. And this area here, where the market is at right now, seems to be quite significant. And I think you have some level right over here, but it's on the lower time frame, so I'll cater for it later. So significant levels that I'm going to create. So I'm going to create a zone here, beautiful zone right over here. Okay, cool. um what again guys, this level right over here again. Let us create a beautiful, let us create a zone here. Yeah, cool, cool. So you have that. So this one here, I'm not going to create a zone because there's something going on right over here. So all I have to do is just check it out. And on the daily time frame, you can see that the market has been going to the upper side like this, and it did break off right over here and went to the lower side. And as you can see, it's been creating push, rejection, correction, push, correction, push, correction, push, and now you're on the consolidation stage. So what do we see? Do when we see a consolidation stage, there are two ways the market could go, is either up or down. So all you have to do is look for the candlesticks. So on the right over here, you can see that the market was playing around here. This was same scenario that is occurring on the previous analysis of Audnzd. So this is a falling wedge again. So yeah, let us move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I've marked out this level here, this level right over here. But seems like we should cater for this one here, because it seems like where the market, where it is mostly where the body of the market of the candlesticks ends, and then here are only the wicks. So if we are going to take profits, we should take them right over here on this blue line, not over here, because you know the markets are very manipulative. So, and as like I've said, I'm seeing this level here being respected over here. So again, but if we, let me put it this way, so this is not a level, it's a zone. So you cannot just use a line, we have to use a zone, because there is some prices moving out inside this zone on the lower time frames. So we have to use it like that. So again, let's see, we have first touch, second touch. Bear in mind, these are range market. First, second, third touch. So third touch, you're anticipating a push to lower side. But before we jump into any conclusions, we should see what's really going on here first, because there's a possibility that the market could just push like this, do a retest, and push to the upper side. So I'll just remove this one out. Okay, fine. We have this. If I were to draw some trend lines here, I'll just say like this, something like this here. Okay, and upper side over here. This one is could go this one, this one. Let me see. If I were to use this one here, okay, you can see what I'm trying to do. So we had first, oops. Okay, we had first, second, third, and then the fourth. We just hit this area here, and when did a little bit of consolidation, showing us that this level here can just is like a mid-range level. So let us mark it out with let us use a green one right now. Gray one. Okay. Okay, what am I saying? So here the first, second, third, and the fourth touch, we went to the other side. So, but bear in mind we create a lowest level here, which says we have a neutral line in play. So I'm gonna just do it like this. Use a dotted line. Good. So let us move this one, because it is no longer in use, and we are focusing on this area here. So we're gonna use this one here, or this area here. So if I were to use this area here, what I was gonna do, put it like this. So do you see what I'm saying, guys? Do you see what I'm saying? I hope you see what I'm saying. If I were to use this, it won't make sense at all. So I'm not gonna use that. So let me use the dashed lines, not the dotted lines. I don't like the dotted ones. So as you can see, we had first, second, third. On the top we had first, second, third. This is a third touch. So we are anticipating the selling movement up until this area here. Okay, this area here, to be honest, the overall is over here, to be honest. So but we have to play the game of the market, so we should not be greedy and let us be safe on this one. So we can just put it right over here. This is our final take profit. Don't be greedy for some few peeps, guys. Don't. And the stop loss, wait, I'll just adjust the stop loss. Let me focus on the take profits. First take profit, the moment you hit this area here, this touch over here, maybe it's here or here. So I'll just say first take profit here, second take profit here, overall take profit right over here. Let us do the stop loss right now. So which level will the market break? If the market break, we know there's no going back. Okay, above. Should I put it right over here? Yeah, I think it's cool over there. Or let me just put it right over here. To be honest, if I level, guys. Okay, cool. This is our stop loss right over there. And these are our take profits. Guys, the coordinates are on the sides here. Here's the stop loss. Here are the coordinates, guys. So I think you see the coordinates. So there's no need for me to draw out the coordinates after this. So yeah, that'll be all from us, guys. FX Rebels signing out.